What's up, guys? It's finally the day, as you've seen by the title of the video. Today's a good day, not only because Mexico plays tomorrow, but because my exhaust finally came in and we're finally about to change this exhaust for the new one. I have this box over here. So, and also guys, if you haven't checked the last video out on the Honda Accord, that's a beauty right there. I suggest you check it out because it was a really good video. And yeah guys, it looks clean as fuck. So yeah, let's start with this exhaust video, and hopefully it makes it sound louder, pops more, and yeah, you guys know. Yeah, see you next clip. Well, alright guys, so this is the box with the beast. I already had to open it, you guys know. Had to check what was inside. Opened half of it. This is the tip right here, titanium tip. Looks beautiful. And now this is the short tail pipe. And yeah guys, so what we're basically gonna do is unbolt these two over there, as you see, and there's the same two over there. Gonna take this whole cat off and replace it with the short tails. This is NVIDIA catback, so now it's gonna be NVIDIA with AMM short tails. So like I said, hopefully it sounds badass, and we're gonna get to it. Alright guys, and also is a little exhaust clip of before, so you can see how it sounds after. So I didn't get a cold starter, but it's still gonna sound good. So we're gonna switch it, and then later on you'll see the results. But yeah, let's do that. Before I start doing this shit, I know this shit seems easy, but you know we're about to run into some technical difficulties. Cause you know every time you think something goes easy, that shit's not gonna go easy. Hopefully the bolts come off, like bolts should come off, and everything goes good. So let's do it. All right guys, one bolt down. Thank you to my boy Fernando over here, the pipe fitter, the pipe fitter doing some work.
You ready, Ruben?
My boy Ruben over here.
10-4.
10-4.
Just grab this one.
I was doing shit, but you know, the pop fitter had to come and step in.
No, look, maybe you should go with a jacket. You try to like
one bolt left.
Because then I'm gonna hit your hands. Oh, I see. Yeah.
You want me to do it?
Yeah. You can't come back on this side?
I'll do it. Or you want to do it? You got it on your hands.
I'm good.
You got it on your hands.
Then I'm dying down here. This exhaust is fucking hiding on my forehead.
Look, exhaust is burning. If you touch that hook.
Put it back in. Right there. Put pressure like towards. Yeah, I got you. Not towards you, but away from you. Yeah.
Ala, there you go. Freaking Fernando, ala. So, about to finish unbolting the other side.
Yeah, I got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
You got it. After that, we're just gonna take the hangers off, and we're gonna start assembling these bad boys over here. Got all the hardware, the clamps, got the bolts. So ready to put it on, ready to assemble it. About to assemble it right now. So my boy Fernando finishes taking it off. So yeah guys. Alright guys, just so y'all don't think I don't do shit, I'm about to take these hangers off, and hopefully this shit don't burn my hand. So gotta put some WD-40 so they can slip off easy. Hopefully they do. So gonna let it dry for a bit, and yeah. Alright guys, have some terrible news. Look, these motherfucking AMM competition short tails, we figured out they only fit exhaust, stock exhaust, and this is a NVIDIA not stock exhaust. And now we can't fit this on because it's not long enough, because it only fits a stock exhaust. So I bought this bullshit, waited a fucking month for this shit, can't install it. Now I'm gonna have to see if I can return this shit and then buy some other shit, maybe coilovers, maybe something else, I don't know. But I'm gonna talk to them tomorrow and find out if I can return them. But as we don't have a fucking muffler right now, so I'm just turn it on and see how it sounds. And yeah, let's hear that bad bitch. I want to do this shit anyway. Let's turn this shit on. Show them the muffler. Yeah, bad bitch over here. It don't matter if I get out, huh? Recording?
Yeah. Money. Hit that hole.
Like,
Remember?
I am. Great!
Yeah.
I don't like it when it goes down.
Hey, keep it like
Fucking go for a drive.
Do it.
It's gonna fucking canes.
Man, that shit sounds like Edgar's old beginner vibe.
Just go like down the street. They kinda hit
Man,
that
the
hole.
fucking police gonna hear my ass.
Dude, that shit fucking loud.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go by a quick drive by right here so y'all can hear this shit. Let's make this day a little fun. Let's not worry about the bad news only, so yeah. Give it off. We're going for that quick drive just to see how it sounds without the fucking catback. Come on, this shit sounds loud.
Yo, keep that shit like that, bro. I love it.
Let's go down over there.
Fuck it.
Nigga trying like, I'm loud. I'm gonna go back home. Let's go through over here though. I don't feel like I went to the same block. Guys, I don't want to hit it too much because this fucking tracks too many people now. I'm not hitting it too hard. I'm about to go back home, Ruben's house, but I'm gonna hit it one more time.
Hey, don't put that shit back on. Just keep it off. I heard you from way the fuck down there.
Alright guys, well, like I said, we didn't get to install the AMM short pipes. I'm gonna see what I can do about that, if I can return it. So I think I'm gonna just keep it like this for a day to enjoy that fucking loud life. And I'm gonna put back the cat back on probably tomorrow. So I guess I'm gonna drive it like this today and yeah, put it back tomorrow. So now I'm gonna return that and get another mod. Comment down below what mod should I get. Should I just get some coilovers or something to make it look different instead of the sound, or saying suggestions will help. So I know this was a kind of short video because it didn't go as expected, but thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, hopefully Mexico beats Brazil tomorrow. Peace out. Also, before we end this video, I want to give a big shout out to my uncle Ruben over there in New York. Hope you're having a great day, Theo. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said again, and peace out. Subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and yeah guys, peace out.